Good morning guys, and welcome from the very beautiful Ella, Sri Lanka. As you can tell, it's still very early. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, and the reason why I'm up so early is because within the next hour I want to reach the top of the famous Little Adams Peak for the beautiful sunrise. We have about an hour to go before sunrise, so I best get those legs to work. It's actually so cool because Ella is situated like in a bit of a mountainous region, so there's a lot less light because of less towns, I am assuming, and the stars are still so insane. Okay, so today I'm joined by Ruben. You might have recognized him from the other videos that we have done together here in Sri Lanka.
How's it going?
He has done this hike before, so he's actually going to be showing me the way up, which is great. So I don't have to actually think about how to get there.
It's a beautiful hike for sunrise as well.
Yeah, really, really excited. We got another little companion joining us.
Zika, where is he?
Hi!
Where is he?
Where are you?
Where is he?
It's actually so cool to walk to the trailhead now because the town is still so super sleepy, but you can hear the crickets everywhere, the dogs are waking up, the first chants of the Buddhist temples were going on. It's actually really funny to be awake before the rest of the world is awake. Feels a little strange for me.
Get used to it. We're gonna become a 5 in the morning people.
The 5 a.m. club.
Rachel!
You excited, bro? We have officially started the hike. One thing that I've learned about this region is that they're leeches. These bastards are not getting me, I hope. After hearing Ruben's horror stories about what happened to his legs, I'm like, yeah, I'm putting on the leggings and the boots. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Yeah, so you're not going to have to worry about knowing where the trail is. I mean, it is very clear where you are going. So that is very nice. You won't get too lost. So even if you're not really a hiker or a navigator, you're going to be all right. Holy mother of smokes. Look at that. Oh, guys, we haven't even reached the Little Adams Peak or Mini Adams Peak. But the views are already so beautiful. You can see the sunrise in the background. The mist is going across the mountains. It is insanely beautiful. I cannot wait to get the proper views. Wow, this is so cool. You can really see the mountains in the background. The tea plantations down there. It's so nice and green. And the nice thing about Ella is that the temperature here compared to where I was in Tessamaharama here before is so nice for hiking. Like, it is a very comfortable temperature. It's under 20 degrees, so yeah, it's very nice weather to actually go hiking. Whereas in Tessa, it was very hot and very dry all the time, so I wouldn't have done this if this was located there. But guys, I can't get over these views. They're insane. It's not dark anymore. Oh. Okay, the stairs are nice for the legs. Gotta tell you, you can't take the tuk-tuk all the way up. You could do it a majority, but you'd still have to climb these stairs. Yeah, it's not a very difficult hike, but this last bit with the stairs and the rockiness, this is not going to be great for people who don't want to really hike. And I must say, I lost my breath because we're half running up those stairs. But the views are worth it. Look at that mist.
You fucking made it.
Yay. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, we have made it to the top. Now, even though we've missed the initial sunrise, which I think would have been really cool with this backdrop over here, I mean, this is still so beautiful. You have the pinks coming through. You still have like all this beautiful mist over here. It is so nice. So we left this morning just after 5 and we arrived here just before 6. So it took us less than an hour to get from the town where we're staying. We're staying quite near the trail's head to actually get to the top here. But it is so insanely beautiful. You've got the mountains over there. There's a beautiful sunrise over there. If you would want to extend this hike, you can also actually walk down to the 9 Arches Bridge from here. So that would also allow you to do 2 things in one go. But for today, I'm going to keep it at Little Adams Peak because I think this is quite a nice start to the day. But if you'd want to see more, then you could walk more. So what Ruben just pointed out to me is down there, you have the Ravana waterfall. I'm not sure if you'll see that, but look how beautiful. Now, I'm going to be honest, I am usually a full-on sunset type of person, but there's something so special about having sunrise and having the town of Ella wake up. It is so beautiful. Sun's coming up, sounds are starting, people are starting their day, and we started it before that. It's a really special feeling, and really the views here. Thank you for taking me on this little morning trip. That is such a good way to start the morning. And what Ruben was telling me is that actually he's been starting his mornings quite early here in Ella, which I think is amazing. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff that you can do here, like a lot of hikes and stuff.
Every morning. There's something new.
Yeah, every morning. So I think, well, I'm hoping I get into a healthy rhythm as well to do that, because starting the day like this feels so good. Bye, puppies. There is this tiny little squirrel trapped in the back of the office there. He's stuck. You following us down? Okay guys, I kind of had an idea of what this would look like coming down, but look how beautiful it is. All them tea plants, the beautiful mountains. This walk is really, really worth it. This is also like a very famous thing to do here in Ella. But I think that if you're going to be coming, don't miss it. Like, it's going to be so nice to walk up here. It's a very nice stroll. And you could end the morning or the start of your morning with a nice coffee, wake up nicely, and then you feel like you've actually properly started the day, you know, immersed by this beautiful environment. It's so beautiful. Everything I look at, I'm like, wow, wow. At the Tuk Tuk in Chi Fields. So cute. We're going to have coffee here? Yeah? Yeah, sure. How are you?
Good, fine, thank you.
Very good, thank you.
Do you like our upstairs place?
Yeah, let's go sit upstairs. That sounds good. Thank you. Yeah, we've got the choice for a swing. I'm sitting on the swing. You can join me. Oh, look how nice this looks. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
There's chocolate on the top. And this guy pulling this guy's leg saying that he's allergic to chocolate. Well guys, I think that was an incredible start to the day. So if you are up to starting your day early and you're in for an easy hike, then I definitely say come to Little Adams Peak, because you're not going to regret it. Also, you're starting your day on a great foot, and it's not too challenging. So once you get over yourself going up the stairs, you're going to be a-okay. This is definitely something that you should not miss when you're coming here. So I can highly recommend it. I enjoyed it. Ruben enjoyed it. And thank you for watching all the way to the end of this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Exactly.